Hi, I'm Charlie, and today Ethan, Bella, and I are making scrambled eggs with spinach and toast.
You don't have to wait till breakfast to eat these. Me and my mom sometimes cook these for dinner too.
Eggs can be made at any time of the day. To make the dish, we're going to use eggs from the proteins food group of my plate, spinach from the vegetable group, and whole wheat bread from the grain group. The My Plate icon reminds us that we need foods from all 5 food groups to be healthy and grow. This recipe includes 3 of the 5 food groups. You can add a glass of low-fat milk and a fruit and have a My Plate meal.
The first thing you want to do when working in the kitchen is to wash your hands. So the first step is you're going to wet your hands with running water. Now apply soap, and you're going to scrub your hands for about 20 seconds. Or another tip you can do is you can sing happy birthday twice. Under your nails, behind the hand, get in between your fingers. Now you can rinse your hands off. And now you're going to use the paper towel to turn off the faucet. There you go.
Inside this shell are a lot of different possibilities. Eggs can be cooked so many different ways and used in lots of different recipes.
But what's inside here needs to get into the pan.
That's right. We need to crack the shell to get that egg that we're going to cook. Make sure the egg isn't already broken or cracked. So you're going to take the egg and you're going to hold it like this. 2 fingers on the side and 1 on top. And you're going to crack it against a hard surface such as this bowl. And you want to get one big crack, so you want to hit it kind of hard. Like that. Using both thumbs, you're going to separate the shell and empty the egg into the bowl. The empty shell goes into the garbage, and we wash the cutting board in hot soapy water to make sure no raw egg is on there before using it again. We should also wash our hands again in case we touch some of the raw egg.
Are we ready to whisk?
And this is what we use to scramble an egg, right?
Yeah, it's a whisk, and it mixes the egg yolk and the egg white together. If you don't have a whisk, you can also use a fork. You're going to move in a circular motion just like that, and what you want to do is you want to break the yolk so you can mix the egg whites and the egg yolks together. And you know it's done when everything is an even pale yellow color. After we've used the whisk or fork, we wash it before we use it to whisk anything else.
To make scrambled eggs with spinach, you need ½ cup of spinach.
So you're gonna grab it and you're just gonna pack the spinach until it reaches the ½ cup line. You wanna fit as much as you can because when you cook the spinach, it will shrink.
So just kind of like push it down?
Yeah, just keep pushing it down. That's perfect. Let's toast our bread so it's ready when our egg is finished. The toaster has coils on the inside that heat up when you plug it in and it warms the bread. So Bella, can you put the bread in there for me? You can put the slice of bread in, set the dial to how toasted you want it. It has either numbers or it says light, medium, or dark. When the bread is toasted, a spring pops the toast out. Use your eyes and your nose to make sure the toast isn't burning. And now we can toast the bread.
Now it can cook.
We'll need to add some oil to the pan to help the eggs cook easily and keep them from sticking to the pan. There we go. You'll need to have the spatula ready. The spatula will move the eggs around in the pan to make sure the egg is fully cooked.
Let's add the eggs.
All right. There you go. Now let's grab the spatula and mix it around a little bit. And Bella, you're gonna move it in a circular motion just like you were whisking. There you go.
When should we add the spinach?
We can add it now.
Cool.
Okay. Thank you.
And mix it all up, Bella.
That's a lot of spinach.
It is, but spinach has a lot of water in it, and once you cook it, it shrinks. There you go, just mix it all up. You're moving the egg around so that the egg doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. The egg on the bottom, closest to the heat, will cook first. Drag the spatula across the bottom of the pan to move the cooked egg aside so that the uncooked egg can move closer to the heat. Keep pulling the cooked egg aside until all of the runny egg has had a chance to cook. You will know the egg is cooked when there isn't any more liquid in the pan and the egg goes from being a liquid to being a solid and the whole mixture is firm and cooked. That's done? All right, so we'll turn this stove off. Great, and let's plate it.
There we go.
Yummy.
That looks
good.
delicious.
All right, do you want to taste it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Be careful to make sure it cools down before you try it. Is it good?
Yeah.
All right, we did it. High five.